Hello guys, looking to save money by refinancing your student loans with SoFi? Here's a clear breakdown of how it works in 2025 and whether it's the right move for your situation. So, SoFi lets you pre-qualify online in minutes using a soft credit check. That will not impact your score. You will typically need a credit score of 650 to 670 plus and a stable income, and you should be a US citizen or permanent resident. Now, some borrowers, for example health professionals or grad students, may qualify even more easily. SoFi also offers a competitive rate ranges in 2025. Fixed rates include 4.49% to 9.99% APR, variable rates include 5.99% to 9.99% APR, and loan terms are 5, 7, 10, 15 or 20 years. They also provide a 0.25% auto pay rate discount plus a special perks for auto pay and direct deposit. Now, once you accept your rate, complete the application and upload documents online. SoFi will initiate a hard credit pull, but there are no origination fee and no prepayment penalties and no late fee. Now, you can lower interest rates and the ability to refinance federal plus private loans into one. Choose to extend your term for lower monthly payments and shorten it to save on interest. You can gain access to SoFi's perks like flexible repayment, unemployment protection, financial planning, and cash rewards for good GPA. Now, by refinancing, you forfeit federal benefits, including income-driven repayment plans, public service forgiveness, and deferment options. Make sure that you don't expect to return to federal protections once it's gone. Now, many satisfied customers report getting slightly lower rates than with Earnest or PenFed, and note SoFi's smooth process. Ratings from NerdWallet and Bankrate place SoFi near the top, praising its low rates and borrower support. However, some caution that max rates can be high and high credit is required for the best deals. Now, final verdict, SoFi can be worth it if you qualify, especially for borrowers in good credit standing who want lower rates, flexible terms, and extra perks. And if you're relying on federal loan benefits or don't meet the credit income bar, refinancing may cost you more in the long run, even with slightly better rates. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.